Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage veg roll full guide. Begin by blanching whole cabbage leaves until pliable, then finely chop vegetables and sauté with spices, cook grains to tender, and season to taste. Arrange filling on each leaf, roll tightly, and place seam side down in a baking dish. Cover with sauce and bake until heated through and lightly golden, then rest briefly before serving. For the filling, keep things simple and flavorful. Heat oil, sauté onions until translucent, add garlic, carrots, bell pepper, and mushrooms and cook until soft. Stir in cooked rice or quinoa, add a splash of soy sauce and a pinch of smoked paprika, then taste and adjust salt and pepper. Let the mixture cool slightly so it holds together when you roll the cabbage leaves into neat, compact parcels ready for baking. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the book The Simple Path to Wealth is a great read that can change how you think about money and save you stress, and it pairs oddly well with budgeting for weekly groceries when making recipes. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Trim the cabbage ribs to make rolling easier. Then lay a leaf flat, spoon filling near the base. Fold sides over and roll tightly while keeping the seam underneath. Arrange rolls snugly in a baking dish, pour tomato or creamy sauce over and cover with foil to steam. Bake until the flavors meld and edges pick up light color. Then remove foil briefly to brown tops before serving warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.